is he? He's still on us. We took a hit. We took a hit. Damn it. Come on, man. There's some that pilot shit. Brace yourself. Holy shit! I got Tone. Taking a shot. Damn it! Out of missiles. Switching to guns. Come on, man. Come on. You got it, man. It's not over yet. One last chance. You can do this. Come on, Maverick. Yes, splash two. Matt, I got the radio on. Outstanding. Get us in touch with the boat. Copy that. Oh, my God. Where the hell is this guy? He's on our nose. Damn it, we're out of ammo. Smoke in the air. Rooster flares. That was close. We're out of flares, Mav! Shit, he's already on us! Ah, this is not good! We took another hit! No. Much more of this! We can't outrun this guy. We gotta eject. What? We need altitude. Pull the ejection handles the second I tell you. Wait! Rooster, there's no other way. Eject! Rooster, pull the handle. Eject! It's not working!
I'm sorry, guys.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is your savior speaking. Please fasten your seatbelts, return your tray tables to their locked and upright position.